Win Lopez, ABC News, Davenport, Iowa.
All right, Robert Suhr joining us now. A lot going on nationwide. You were just mentioning a tornado in a very unlikely place as well.
They had a tornado today in Virginia Beach, Virginia, in the Tidewater region. That's a very rare instance. And, you know, it's funny, they showed the Mississippi River flooding. I was reading stories a month ago where people were they were doing stories about how low the Mississippi River was and how some barge traffic couldn't get
remember
through.
that drought in California?
Yeah.
That's right. Yeah.
How quickly things change
indeed.
with the weather. But our weather, not too bad this week. If you've got, maybe you're growing some strawberries, cover them up tonight if you can, just to be safe, because we could have a little bit of patchy frost across some of the lowest valleys tonight. So as we take a look at the week ahead, best chance for that patchy frost most likely will be tomorrow morning, but can't rule out Tuesday morning in an isolated spot. But regardless, we're going to see lots of sunshine through the middle part of the week at least. And then we watch for the possibility of a little bit of unsettled weather as we get toward the second half of the week. But look at these temperatures over the next 5 days. From the mid-60s to the lower 80s in northwest Arkansas. It'll feel like summer by the time we get to Friday. Friday is Cinco de Mayo, by the way. So if you're celebrating Friday, it'll be a nice warm day, borderline hot in the River Valley. Temperatures flirting with 90 degrees. Yeah, we're getting to that point of the year. Fayetteville's nice and quiet today, where we got up to 65 degrees, handful of degrees shy of where we should be, which is 73. 88, though, on this day in 1987. Had some patchy frost this morning in 1996. That is not Fort Smith. That is still Poto. But in Fort Smith today, we got to 71, 7 degrees shy of the average, which is 78. Out there right now across northwest Arkansas, lower 50s. It's cooling down quickly because of the clear skies. The winds are subsiding. Lots of radiational cooling, allowing that daytime heating to radiate back up into the atmosphere. 50s with a few upper 40s already in parts of the River Valley. Big picture is nice and quiet. This little guy, though, is causing all sorts of trouble in the Great Lakes. If you've got travel plans to the northeast over the next couple of days, it's going to be a mess with rain and snow for many locations. Now, for us, see this big ridge over the west. That's going to slowly work its way in our direction as we go through the week. What we're seeing here is called an omega block. And if you want to learn more about that, meteorologist Martin Lauermore will fill you in on the omega block coming up later on in the 10:30 hour on 4029 News at 10. But notice this ridge moving over our area. That's why it's going to get so warm, if not hot, by the end of the week with very low rain chances. Lows tonight, 30s and 40s. Watch for that patchy frost across northwest Arkansas. And then highs tomorrow will be in the 60s and 70s. Here's a look at the extended forecast, which does feature lots of sunshine over the next couple of days. Then those rain chances move back in Thursday and Friday and through the weekend. If you are observing Cinco de Mayo, not a bad day. It'll be a warm one, though, in northwest Arkansas and in the River Valley. Spotty showers as well Thursday through the weekend in the River Valley, but nice Monday through Wednesday. Was it nice for the Hogs in their softball game against Tennessee today? Meredith Malke has the answer to that question after these messages.